Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to search people on Tinder using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Here you can adjust your preferences like distance, age range, and genders. This helps Tinder show you the people you want to see. Then start swiping. Swipe right if you like someone and left if you don't. Tinder will show your profile based on your preferences and location. Unfortunately, Tinder doesn't let you search by name for free, but these methods help you find people effectively. Use the top picks or boost features if you want to see more profiles quickly. Top picks highlights people who are more likely to watch with you and boosts show you profile to more users for a short time. Swiping regularly increase your chances of matching with people who fit your preferences. And that's it. Set your preference, swipe carefully, use top picks if you want, and stay active. Following these steps will help you find and connect with people on Tinder easily from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.